you guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my new fidgets that I bought from the craft store. So first I got a Pop-It fidget spinner. And then I got this octopus Pop-It. You see the face a little bit. It's really hard to put the head, like pop it. And next I got a tangle. The reason why it looks so small is because I broke the other half. Last but not least is a giant Pop-It. It's very soft. And that's all. I'll update you guys on my stuff when I get more. So yeah.